Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to teach you fifth sum from 7.2 exercise coordinate geometry. Question is, find the ratio in which the line segment joining A 1 comma minus 5 and B minus 4 comma 5 is divided by the x-axis. Here is asking you to find the ratio and given 2 points. Okay. Take 2 points which are given in the question. A 1 comma minus 5, B minus 4 comma 5. These two are given in the question, 1 comma minus 5 and minus 4 comma 5. And take ratio as m1 is to m2. This we have to find m1 value and m2 value. So we will take ratio as m1 is to m2. And now we take the formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 comma y m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. You all must know this formula. This formula is also called section formula, which is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Substitute A and B points in this. m1 x2 means m1 into x2. What is x2? Take this as x1 y1. This as x2 y2. So x2 is m1 x2. m1 into what is x2? Minus 4 plus m2 into what is x1? 1 divided by m1 plus m2, comma. Here also substitute y1 and y2. m1 into what is y2? 5 plus m2, what is y1? Minus 5, m2 minus 5 by m1 plus m2. Is it right? So what I did? I took the formula and substituted x1 y1, x2 y2. Because he is saying it is divided by x-axis, we can take y as 0, y equal to 0. Why we are taking y coordinate 0? Because it is divided by x-axis. On x-axis, y equal to 0. So this y equal to 0. Phi m1 plus into minus phi m2 by m1 plus m2. Here you can write on x-axis y equal to 0. We know, you can mention here, we know on x-axis y equal to 0. Therefore, y coordinate we are equating to 0. Understand? Simplify. We have to simplify this. For numerator, you write phi m1 this denominator goes to vector and get multiplied. So phi m1 minus phi m2 is equal to 0 and 10 is 0. So phi m1 is equal to phi m2. Now this you can write as m1 by m2 is equal to phi divided by 5. Now just check, cross multiply and check phi into m1, phi m1 equal to phi into m2, phi. So phi ones cancel. So m1 by m2 is equal to 1 by 1 equal. Therefore ratio is m1 is to m2. m1 Please support me by subscribing, sharing and liking. Thank you.